Okay. So what are the different types of products we have in Salesforce CPQ? Donapa. What are the different types of products we can create in a Salesforce CPQ?
There are 3 products in Salesforce CPQ. First one is standalone products, second one bundle products, and third one is subscription products. Subscription products is nothing but service-based products.
Yeah, can speak.
Standalone products means
Tejasri, tell me what are the different types of products we have?
Standalone products. Hello.
Yeah,
Standalone products, subscription products, and bundle products. Standalone product is a single product which we can add in price book. Subscription product is service based product, and bundle product is it's just like as a parent product, which are there are child products are in under parent product. That is a bundle product. Bundle product it is the combined of child products. The bundle product is considered as when the configuration type and configuration event is allowed always, then only we can consider as a bundle product.
So not like that. So you should still clear more proper answer. Okay, how you need to give answer? There are 3 types of products.
Okay.
Standalone, subscription, and bundle. So when it comes to standalone products, we can sell like a individual product. Okay. Example, you can say pen drive. Okay. Or you can say mouse. You can say anything. Single product if you are selling, that is called standalone. Okay. And one more thing is, okay. So normally standalone products are like nothing but assets. So what is the meaning of asset is? That is nothing but a physical product.
Physical product.
Okay. So you need to give all this explanation. Who will give this explanation?
Okay.
Then subscription products means it is service based. You can sell your product every year, monthly service or day service.
Yes.
Like example, you can say Amazon Prime, AHA, Netflix. Who will give you these examples, madam? I need to come to your interview, or like I need to give explain, or like how? Then when it comes to bundle product, it is a group of products together. If you want to sell a group of together, we can call it as a bundle product. In the bundle product, we can call main product is a parent product. If you want to add sub products, we can use a product option object. We can use a product option object, we can add to the child products. Then even if you want to segregate child products, we can use the feature. What is feature? Feature is nothing but a collection of similar options.
Similar items in group.
Options. So who will tell all this much of in-depth answer I'm expecting from everyone? Understand?
Okay.
So Navya ma'am, tell me what are option constraints?
Based on one option, we can include or excluded the other options. So that is called option constraint. We have 2 types of option constraint. Option constraint and option constraint. Constraint and constraint. Constraint means it's a controlling field. Constraining means it's dependent field, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
Include on this.
So this is mainly we can create option constraints in which place, madam? Only bundle product.
First of all, that is the main.
That point is very important. We can create option constraints where only in a bundle level.
Bundle product.
So based on one option selection, you can include or exclude other option is called nothing but a constraint. There are important fields like option constrained and constraining. Okay. So constraint means controlling field, constraining is a dependent field. Understand? Okay. So tell me, Hussain, product rules.
Product rules, sir. Product rules are mainly work on bundle product. Very rarely go to the standalone product. We have 4 product rules, sir. Selection rule and validation rule, alert rule, filter rule, and dynamic bundle, sir. Selection rule based on product selection. If you want to add, remove, hide, show, and add, so many actions are performing. If you want to create the selection rule, we have 3 steps, sir. Create product rule creation, product rule.
One more thing, so just 1 minute. So steps you don't need to explain, just you have to explain about rules only. In case
Okay.
they will ask like how to create a selection rule, then you have to explain. First we have to create rule, then condition, then action. Otherwise,
Okay.
just explain the rules.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Coming to validation rule, it display error message. We have compulsory clear the message. Otherwise, we cannot save the code line header. Coming to alert rule, alert means nothing but it display error message. We cannot clear this message. Coming to filter rule is nothing but dynamic bundle. If you want to create dynamic bundle in future level, where option selection method is equal to dynamic only, sir.
Yeah, in the future level, if you want to filter the options,
Okay.
you can go for filter rules. Okay. So tell me, Sai, Varun, pricing methods in the CPQ. What are the pricing methods we have?
So coming to the pricing methods, we have 4 types of pricing methods in CPQ. They are list, block, percentage of total, and cost plus markup. Coming to list is nothing but the price which we can give in at the standard price at the entering the product price. While entering the product price, we need to give the standard price. That price is called a list price.
No. Standard price is different. At the time of adding product to the price book, whatever the product you are, see, standard price is whenever you can create a product. So by
Okay.
default, we will give a standard price.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
After giving standard price, then we can
Well,
assign that product to the custom price book, any price book.
Custom price. Okay, sir.
That time it is nothing but a price book entry.
Price book entry.
There you are giving list price.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That
While
is by
giving-
default. By default, all the products we have list price normally.
Okay, sir. Okay. Coming to block price. Block price is based on the product quantity which we can assign for the price. For example, if you go for the level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, level 1, it is for 1 to 10. Here, here we have two types. They are lower bound and upper bound. Here upper bound will be n minus 1. If it is 10, n minus 1 will be 9. So in the level 1, it will be 1 to 9 calculation. The price will be 10. Example. Then if we give any product, then the price will be go to level 1 or level 2 or level 3. These are based on the quantity of the product which we purchase. And coming to percentage of total, it is a cart based on product total net amount. We can give price for the other products if it is already added into the cart. And coming to cost plus markup, if it is fixed price, here cost is fixed. And coming to markup, here extra markup will be added into the line editors. Here example we can say as company or dealership, some other things. So these are the pricing rules which we have, pricing methods we have.
Okay. So along with this list, block, percent of total, and cost plus markup, we have something called account contract price.
Contract.
Account contract. Okay. Sir.
What is the account contract price is? For any particular product, you want to give any fixed price or any special price for any particular account. For example, I have a Max IT account. For that account only, I want to give different price for the product. That is called account contract price.
Okay, sir.
That is also you should explain.
Sure. Okay.
Please note this point, like everyone also should remember this 51 account contract price.
Noted, sir.
Even something else, we have something called option price.
Okay.
So in option level, for example, you can take example, okay, toner. If you sell a toner standalone, it will be $20. In case if you are selling toner along with the printer package, then you can change price in the option level. There is something called option price, unit price, or even you can that also you can use it. Understand?
Okay, sir.
So what are the pricings we have? List, block, percent of total, cost plus markup, account contract price,
and option.
and optional level. Option also we can give the paper.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
So until this one, okay. So what are the custom actions we have there? Tejasri? What is custom action?
Yes, sir. We can perform action in code line editor. In custom action, we have three types of action, that is button, menu, and separator. Button, we can add button in code line editor, like add hardware, add software. To get that type of products, we can add the button. And when it comes to menu, menu is option to get accurate products based upon uh, based upon bundle. When it comes to separator, it is space between one button to another button. It doesn't do any action.
Okay. So button means it is a button only. Normally you can do any actions. Button menu means it will display button like a menu
Yes.
UI. Okay. So you can add sub actions in that menu button. Okay. Separator, it will not do anything. Just if you want to give space from one button to other button or one menu to other button, you can use the which one? Separator. Okay. So tell me the discount schedules. Dhanappa, tell me discount
Yes, sir.
schedule. What are the discount schedules?
There are two
Yes.
types of discount schedule,
Hmm.
range and second one is slab. First one go to range. If you give quantity specified number, range will go to directly particular level. Slab means it goes to each level. Means step by step. If you give the quantity particular level, it goes to until the reach the final quantity level. After that, you can calculate the price of the products. We can apply discount schedule in 4 ways. First one is production level, second one is option level, and third one is feature level, and final one is account level. In account level, if you apply the discount schedule in account level, which product is buying more, which product is selling less, we can identify, we can get the by the discount schedule. If apply the discount schedule on production level, automatically goes to the production option level. After that, it will go to the feature level. If not apply the production and option level, it will directly go to the feature level. This is my answer.
Okay. So maybe will you explain the same topic, discount schedule?
Sir, can I?
Explain about discount schedules.
Yes, sir. Mainly
Okay.
discount schedule means whatever the product we will buy. If you buy the more product means we will get the more discount, sir. That will based on we have a two types, range and slab. Range means it will directly go to the level and we can select the range, sir. Slab means step by step process will be done. For example, if you take any A4 paper or a toner, if we will take the step-by-step process, level 1, level 2, level 3, we will say take that lower limit and upper boundar and lower boundar, sir. As per the requirement, we will give the slab quantity, sir, price. That is the slab. We can apply four ways in discount schedule: product level, product option level, feature level, and on account level. And on the product level, if you apply the discount schedule means we will get all the products related to that level. In the product option level means under only what are the products we have in that future level. In the account level means we will get all the products which are buying more or less. In the future level means we will get only future that are related to the products.
Okay. So next is so guided selling. So tell me, Tesh, what is guided selling? How we can create guided selling? Which objects are involved?
Okay. Mainly the guided selling is we can show some window on cart page instead of showing all products, and we can ask the question to customer that which type of brand you want, which type of color product, which type of laptop you want, which type of RAM set. Based upon these answers, based upon customer answers, we can get that accurate product for the customer. It will be save the time for the customer. Yes. And based
Oh.
upon guided selling, we can filter the products in the cart page based upon the customer answers.
How we can create guide selling? What are the which objects are involved here? Sai, Varun, which objects are involved here to create guide selling? What we have to do first?
Sir, here product option is required to add the product, and as per the product option, we can select the product and we can send it to the quote line editors. As per the customer request, we can select the products and add to the cart, and then quote line editor we can sell the product.
No, what is my question is how we can create guide selling? Anyone? Which objects we have to?
Yes, sir. Can I?
Yeah, tell them.
First, we must create all the fields in the product object, sir. And we must create the same fields in the process input object also. And after that, we must take the API names and we must add for both product and input fields.
Okay.
After that, we need to create a quote process. After that, we must relate to input.
We should add that code process.
We must map between two products. We must map for product and input fields.
Okay.
After that, we must copy that record ID, which we have get in a quote process. We must add. I can't get that. That's it.
We should add that ID in the code
ID.
process ID field in the code of it. Then only guide selling will populate.
Will be copied.
Yes. You can that is called guide selling. So tell me, Sai, Varun, why will use price rules? Price rules. What is price rules?
Yeah, price rules. Coming to the price rules. Price rules works on mainly quote and quote line objects. Here some prices on quote line or quote line objects. We will inject some prices in quote line and quote line objects. If you want to update quote or quote line fields based on the other fields, the other objects we can go the price rules. Directly go to the price rules. For these we will use the price rules. Here we can use the summary variable in the price rules. Summary variable is nothing but the quantity we enter background. It will the value will store in the summary variable. Then we can use that summary variable in product rules in somewhere else which we require whenever we require.
Yeah, the main purpose of price rule is to inject pricing in the for the line items, or you can update the code line fields or code fields. Okay. That is my thing.
Sir, okay. Line items.
To update code line item fields.
Okay, sir. Code line item. Okay.
Okay. So Tejasri, tell me what is lookup queries? Why will you lookup queries? Either in product rule or price rule?
అది నాకు డౌట్ మీకు అడుగుదామని ఇప్పుడే అనుకుంది అది అర్థం కాలేదు సార్ lookup queries.
Okay. Who will explain this topic? What is lookup queries?
Product lookup query, sir.
Yeah, lookup queries.
It is used with product rules to query data from an object other than quote. The data is used to change the products and the configuration in quote line editor or configure. The product rule lookup query maps the data from your lookup back to product rule. That's why we can use lookup query instead of data field and value, sir.
So, Navya,
Yes, sir.
what is lookup queries?
No, I don't know, sir.
Dorapa? Cyber?
Lookup query is mostly used in the product rules, which can get the query inside the objects. Here, after getting the records from the objects, then we can use these to change the product and configuration in quote line or else configurator. Here we can, by using product rule, lookup query, we can map lookup objects to, by using these, we can avoid data fields and values. For these, we will use the lookup queries.
I need proper answer. Okay. So lookup queries, the main purpose of lookup queries. Okay, why will use lookup queries? So lookup queries is nothing but it is completely different object. Okay, in the different object we are storing the data. That data we are using in the product rules and prices. Example, assume in the quote object I have something called partner type field. There we have something called silver and gold partner. Okay. And in the quote line object, we have something called what? Family. In the quote line, you can see the hardware, software, service. Okay. So based on these two fields, I want to give some discount. Example, gold customer and hardware family. Okay. 10% discount. Gold customer, software family, 20% discount. Gold product and gold customer and like a service based, then 5% discount. Like if you want to apply discount based on the combinations between the code fields and the quote line fields, and you want to apply discount. So there are three important fields here: quote field, type field, gold customer, or like a silver branch. And other one is important, which one is family field, quote line, software, hardware, service. And based on these two combinations, you want to apply discount field in the updating the path discount field in the quote line. So, so to do this, what we can do is we can create separate object, a lookup table. There we can do all these mappings. Into example, so code type like a gold, service 10%, gold, hardware 20%, gold, software 5%, then silver, hardware, silver, software, silver, service, then branch hardware, branch. So we have to store all these combinations in the Excel sheet. We can upload this in the lookup table. Lookup table is nothing but one more custom object we have to create. That object we have to store the data. That object we can use in the lookup queries table. Okay, just watch again on that video. It is very important topic. This question is mandatory question in the CPQ interview. Yes, this question is 100% guarantee also question.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you should prepare more clearly that video. You should give complete answer, more in-depth answer. Understand?
Okay, sir.
So then, what is twin fields, Donapa?
It is a Salesforce CPQ feature. It applicable in two objects. And two fields means two fields are same name with the same type. If you change something in one field, it automatically populate in the other field.
So tell me, Navya, what is twin fields?
Twin fields means it is having the same name, same data, same API name. If you change in one field, it is automatically populated to the another field.
Yeah. So normally, if you want to update data from one object to other object, field updates or flows or previous version workflows and possibilities. Now we will do flows. Now CPQ have a special function called twin fields.
Twin fields.
It will support only that CPQ objects only, not for other objects. Example like a example product line, right? Product line to quote line, like a example contract to order. Some mappings, right? This is very important. We should give a same label name, same API name, then automatically will map to the
After
It's a
the
related
age.
object. Very important. This is also 100 out of 100, like a 99% will get answer. Question is question and interview. Okay. Then what else we have? What is code templates? And if you want to create code template, what are all the objects are involved here? Tell me, Hussein, what is code template? What are the objects are there? All this. Just explain more about it in depth.
If you want to create code template in background, there are 3 objects, sir. Code template, template section, template content, sir.
Explain, yeah, go complete answer. And then answer.
Yes.
Hi, Varun.
Sir, no idea about template. But I will try.
What you were doing, sir, last 2-3 days, 1 week, I'm giving time, not done. Please tell me what is the code template.
So I will try, sir.
Yes. Code template have 3 types, that is section, code template object, content. A section means position and style template content for your code document. And when it comes to code template object, code template contains string for customize the link document. And when it comes to content, it will show the company logo. It will use to content to show the company logo.
Maria, madam, what is code templates?
Code templates are basically in 3 types, sir. Code template, template section, and template content. Code template means developed by our own, sir. Template section means to separate the template section. Content means to create a logo of that.
Content, what will create? Why will create logo, madam? What are the contents we have? Tell me, anyone? What are the different types of contents we have?
6 types.
Then why you are talking about logo? What is the relationship between logo and content? So logo, draft, watermark, and everything you can create in the code template object.
Code template object.
In the code content, what we can, there are contents like a header,
HTML,
Header,
line
yes,
item,
footer,
line item.
Template of
post, custom code, template bottom, template top.
code terms, all these things. So now
Code
why you
terms.
are not talking about this content? And then you can explain more about it. You can at least speak 10 minutes, at least 5 minutes. So generally we can use code templates to generate codes for the code objects in the Salesforce CPQ. So there are mainly 3 objects: code template, content, and section. So in the code template, we can add like a template information, like a company information, address, draft, logo, right? Watermark, and everything you can add it in the template. And it comes to the sections, you can divide, you can add content, and that content where in which section you want to put. The first section, second section, third section, fourth section. Okay. And one more thing is, so here content comes to, there are multiple, like a 6 type of contents, like a template top, template bottom, HTML, custom, code terms, and line items. Okay. Once you do all these things, even if you want to add extra additional documents, also you can link to the code by using additional document object in there. Okay. And even if you want to use like terms and conditions based on some conditions, also you can mention condition. For example, if amount is more than $1,000, I want to put a terms and conditions, otherwise they don't. So that's also we can control using code terms. Even you can translate template one language to other language by using a enable multi-language translations for our template. Right, madam? So you should explain more why you are giving like a, I'm saying how many times I need to say, madam, just describe more. Still you are giving 3 words, 3 sentences. Okay. So what we'll do is just today it will be enough, madam. So I'll give some more questions, just prepare it for the next call. Okay, I'll stop this one. So please, it is good, but I need more answer, in-depth answer. Don't give like a 3 words, 4 words answer. Okay, next one also CPQ interview. But for that, what is the topics I'll tell you in the group. Okay.
Sure.